Double digit thousands.
Hey, what's up everybody? I am Jatin and in this video we gonna unbox the Redmi 5A. Let's get into it. So here's the box and here's the knife. Firstly, taking a look on the box, we have typical Xiaomi box here, nothing new. And taking a look on the back of the box, here are some specification mentioned over here. So here is the 5-inch HD display and a 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 quad-core CPU and 3000 mAh battery, and it is running on Android Nougat or you can say the MIUI skin version 9. So breaking the seal of the box and opening the box, the first thing appears is the device itself, and it feels light, not heavy. Keeping the phone aside, we have some leaflet and instruction guide. So further in the box we have a micro USB cable for charging and data syncing, and there is a SIM ejector tool also. And in the little compartment we have the charging brick which contains 5 volt and 1 ampere. That means it cannot be a fast charger, so we are not getting a fast charger, so we can't really complain about it because we are getting so much in 5000 rupees. So that's all in the box. Taking a look on the device itself, it feels really great in the hand and don't feel bulky at all. Peeling the plastic from the screen and putting the device up. Now we're gonna set this up, and in this meantime, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe by pressing the subscribe button below and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update by this channel. So talking about the price of this phone, this phone comes in two variants, 2GB RAM and 3GB RAM. In 2GB RAM you can get this device for around 5000 rupees, and the 3GB RAM variant you can get that into 6000 rupees. So device has booted up successfully and we are in the MIUI 9. Going into the setting, in about device we have Android 7 running out of the box, and we can't say about the Android 8 update. Adjusting the brightness a little bit so you can see comfortably. So opening the camera app, we have the typical Xiaomi camera, nothing new here. Taking my knife in frame of the camera for a quick sample shot for you guys. Here is the photo as you can see. So this is all in this video. If you really like this video, please do hit the like button. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks.